Hey guys, it's your favorite brown girl here. It's Ninja Marie and I am back with another video, and this video will be a quick tutorial on how I slay my eyes using a brand new company called J.Beauty.Cosmetics. They sent me a wonderful palette right here, which is a beautiful neutral palette that I love. I love neutral colors. I'm not really one to do a lot with my eyes, but baby, this palette, you can do so much. And of course, I always rock a nude lip most of the time, and they sent me a beautiful lip gloss called Morena. How fitting, right? Anyways, tune in to see how I slay my eyes and finish off my makeup look with these products. Hey guys, so I wanted to show off a new company called J.Beauty.Cosmetics. I will be using their eyeshadow palette and their lip gloss to complete my look today. So let me show you the palette. It's really, really pretty. I believe it is a neutral light palette. The colors are really, really pretty. Let me swatch some for you. Ooh. Look at that. That can also be used as a highlighter. It's really pretty. Super pretty. Ooh, what am I gonna use? Look at that. And I'm really, really in love with these neutral colors. Amazing. That right there, beautiful. I'm probably gonna do a swatch test soon of all the colors so that you guys can see. Anyways, let me get this look together. So, I'm gonna start off with this color right here. And I'm gonna use that all over my lid. So now I'm gonna follow up with another base color, which would be this right here, to create more dimension with my eye. And now, the next step. So the next color I'm going to use is this. now I'm going to finish off my lips. And with like 90% of my lip action, I use brown liner, and this liner is from Wet n Wild, and it's like their dark brown color, 98 cents. Ooh. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use a more neutral tone color, a nude color. And now I'm going to use the J.Beauty.Cosmetics lip gloss, and this color is Morena. Or your spicy Morena right here. Right here. Oh. Now this is a nice nude color, and everybody knows I love a nude lip. Oh, I love it. The smell is really nice and sweet. It has a nice consistency. So I'm going to top off my lips with one more thing to top it off, and I use this Diamond Glow Lip Gloss by Nick AK, New York, whatever. It's a beauty supply brand. And boom, I'm done.